On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can post unlimited ads to make money as a complete beginner without any skills, without any experience. This method is free, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you the product that you can promote, the website that you can post your free ads to make money from home. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to create a Clickbank account or any affiliate network that you know. Once you create your accounts and login, what you have to do is that you have to find products to promote. On Clickbank, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on the marketplace so that you can find a product to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. These are categories of digital products that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see e-business and e-marketing, health and fitness, spirituality, new age, alternative beliefs, self-help, home and garden, food and wine, and many others. If you want a lot more categories, you are going to click right here, all. Once you click on all, you are going to scroll down so that you can find the category that you want. Once you get the category, you can find digital products under that category so that you can promote them to make money. In this video, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting a product under the health and fitness. So just click right here, health and fitness. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, this is a digital product that you can promote, Live Pure. You can see the gravity score is very high and the commission rate is also good, $148.91. That is the amount that you are going to be paid anytime you get a sale. There are a lot of different products under this category that you can promote. You can see as I scroll, many of them. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote to earn money. As you can see, a lot of them. So now what you have to do is that you have to select one of these products so that you can promote it to make money from home. In this video, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting this product right here, I Carrier Juice. So what you have to do is that you have to check the product landing page so that you can get to know more about the product. So just click on the name of the product. Once you click on the name of the product, you can see this is the landing page of the product. This is the page that your potential visitors are going to see before they decide to buy the product. You can see a whole lot of different information on the landing page. You can see a lot of details. You can see everything. So what you have to do is that you have to take time and then read more about the product before you promote it. You have to promote a product that you have some basic knowledge about, so that anytime your customers ask a question, you can answer them to boost their confidence so that they can buy the product for you to make money. Once you get more information about the product, the next step is that you are going to click right here, affiliate page, so that you can check whether the product owner has resources for you that you can use to promote the product. So just click on it. Once you click on the affiliate page, you are going to see a page like this. You can see they have a lot of different information that you can use to promote the product. You can see a whole lot of different information, so you can just scroll down and then read everything. You can see right here they have images that you can use to promote the product. As I scroll, you can see a lot of different images that you can use to promote the product. You can see a whole lot of them. As you can see the demographics, these are the countries where the product is getting a lot of sales. You can see these are the countries. You can see the age is 35 plus, and you can see both men and women are buying the product. Once you get to know the resources that you can use to promote the product, the next step is that you are going to get your affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, you're going to click right here, promote. Once you click on promote, you're going to see a page like this. Click right here, create hop link. Once you click on hop link, you can see this is your affiliate link. So you have to get people to click on this link and then buy the product so that you can be earning a commission on Clickbank. Now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to find the traffic source. So the next step is that you are going to come on this website, freead1.net. On this website, you can post unlimited ads without paying for anything. So once you're on the website, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post free ad, so that you can post your ad. Once you click on it, you can see category, choose. You are going to click on it and then select the category of your product. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select sell/buy. Once you select that, you can see subcategory. You are going to click on it and then select the category of your product. So let's scroll down. Just scroll down so that you can find the category of your ad. You can see right here, health/beauty. Select that. Once you select it, the next step is that you're going to come to group. So just click on it. If you want, you can select cosmetic, but in this case it is not, so just leave it. You can see the next one is title. So you're going to type the title of your ad right here. You can type something like lose weight using I Carrier juice, something like this. This is the title of your ad. Once that is done, you are going to paste a description of your ad right here. So you are going to write some information about the product and then paste it right here. In this case, I have my description, so let me just paste it right here. As you can see, this is my description. You can see it. So now once you have your description, the next step is that you are going to paste your email right here. So you can paste your email right here. Once you paste your email, the next step is that you are going to enter the code right here. You can see this is the code 97463. That is the code. Once you enter the code, the next step is that you are going to paste your website URL right here. So this is where we are going to paste our affiliate link. So you are going to come back on Clickbank and then click right here, copy. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to search for tiny URL. Once you search for it, just paste your affiliate link right here so that you can shorten it. Once you paste it, click right here, shorten URL. Once you click on shorten URL, you can see it has been shortened. Click right here, copy, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then paste it here as your website URL. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, if you have a YouTube account, you can paste the link right here. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see country. You are going to choose the country that you are targeting. In this case, we are targeting the United States. So just scroll down so that you can find the United States. Just scroll down to the button. You can see it right here. Select it. Once that is done, you can see state. Click on it and then select any of the states that you want. In this case, I'm going to select California. Once that is done, you can see city. I'm targeting all cities, so just leave it like that. Once that is done, you can see picture. You are going to add the product images right here. So you are going to go back on the affiliate page so that you can get free images of the product. Once you come back on the affiliate page, you are going to click right here, images. Once you click on images, you can see these are the images of the product, so you can download any of them that you want. So we are going to right click on this one. Once you right click on it, click on save images so that you can save the image. You can save as many images that you want. So once you save the first one, you can scroll down and then select any of the images that you want. Any of the images that you want, just right click on it, select save images so that you can save the images onto your PC. Just save as many as you want. Once you save the images, the next step is that you are going to click right here, browse, so that you can upload your images. Just select the image, click on open. Once that is done, you are going to come to the second one, click on it and then upload your image. As you can see, we have uploaded 2 images. If you want, you can upload 3. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, post free ad. Click on it so that you can post your ad. Once you click on it, you can see your ad has been published successfully. So your ad has been published onto the website. You can click right here to edit your ad if you want to edit it. This website is not the only website that you can post free ads. What you have to do is that you have to post to a lot of different websites so that you can get a lot of traffic to your affiliate link for you to get many people to buy it, so that you can be earning money from home without investing anything. So what you have to do is that you have to come on Google. Once you come on Google, what you have to do is that you have to search for sitelike.org. Once you search for it, you can see the website right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, the next step is that you are going to find websites that are similar to freead1.net. So you are going to copy the URL of freead1.net. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back on sitelike.org and then paste it right here. Once you paste the link here, the next step is that you are going to search so that you can find similar websites that you can post your ads for free. So just click right here, search. Once you click on search, you are going to see a page like this. You can see the website right here, freead1.net. So now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down so that you can find similar websites. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see this website right here. You can post your ads for free. You can see free classifieds. You can post your ad for free without paying anything. As I scroll down, you can see the next one, adsdriver.com. You can post your ads. You can see free ads. You can see there's another one right here, Adland Pro. You can post your ads for free. You can see United States free classifieds, post free ads. So there are many of them that you can post your ad. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. You can see many of them. You can see this one right here, usnetads.com. You can see free ads. You can also post your ads here for free. There are many of them. As I scroll, you can see there are over 60 websites that you can post your ads for free without paying for anything. So what you have to do is that you have to select some of them, create an account and then post your ads for free so that you can drive traffic to your affiliate link for people to buy it, so that you can be making money from home wherever you are in the world. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, Kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.